Good evening, children. Can I have some? Yes, getting from somebody. Most of the problems which we do, many times we come across addition, subtraction, division, everything. You you will need to check what can be the LCM or HCF. What should I take? Which one should I take? Should it be this number or that number? Will this go into this, or whether the multiples of one number will all the what is it, denominators put together, which can be taken as an LCM, how to take it, all this confusions many times we have. So we will just see quickly how to take the LCM and HCF, and how do we what is it, point, how do we point the number that is acceptable to the entire system, and how do we calculate that concept. Okay, we will see the concept first and then some of the problems. There is a common factor when we say, I will open the paint as always. I have some numbers like this. 8 by 13 5 by 7 6 by 15. I have some numbers like this. Ultimately, if you want to conclude on something, which number is greater, which number is lesser, which number is smaller, which comes first, which comes next, all this are part of the aptitude questions. So if you're asked to take LCA, unless you know something in common, unless you put something in common, the denominator has to be brought to a same number ultimately. Only then you can find out which is higher, which is largest, which is smallest, which is in the middle. So all this can be concluded. Let us go back to this problem. There is a common factor. We know that there are factors, but we should also know that there is a common factor. The common factor is nothing but the LCM and HCF. Highest common factor, HCF. HCF of two numbers is the highest number of the two numbers which divides them exactly. For example, we will finish the concepts, then we will go on to the numbers. Methods to find the HCF of two numbers. How do we find prime? There are some prime factors involved. Break the given numbers into prime factors. First வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரு நம்பர் இருக்கு. இப்போ நான் இந்த இதை வந்து if I have to find the common factor அப்படின்னா 13 into 1 தான் நீ பண்ண முடியும் இந்த இடத்துல. இங்க 7 into 1, you can only take 7 into 1. பட் இங்க வந்து 3 into 5. Are there any common factors அப்படின்னு பார்ப்போம். The common factors இல்லை இருக்குன்னா, which is the highest common factor. Then we finalize in the number to convert. The other numbers we convert based on the HCF we identify. You have to find method of prime factors. You will be breaking the given numbers into prime factors. In the mother, you will first break them. Then find the product of all prime factors common to all the numbers. இதுல எதுவுமே common இல்ல. So you have to take 13 into 7 into 15. இதுல அப்படிதான் பண்ண முடியும். You will take another one. 7 by 12, 3 by 6, this is 6. 3 by 6 and 5 by 8. இப்படி ஒரு நம்பர் இருக்கு. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சீரிஸ். So this can be written as 3 into 2 into 2. நான் ஏன் இது போடுறேன்றதை I will tell you later. இங்க 3 into 2. 4 into 2. Okay. Which is the common factor? Which is the common factor you can call? Can you tell me what is the common factor here? Tell me the common factor. Oh, my screen is not visible. Very sorry. My screen was not visible. I will quickly run you through what I did just now. We have three numbers, 8 by 13, 5 by 7, and 6 by 15. Okay. If you have to find the common factor, you need to find the common factor of the denominator. So this can be written in terms of prime numbers. This is 13. 13 into 1, you have no choice. And this is 7. And this is 7 into 1, you have no choice. And 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So if I have to find a common factor across all this, I have to take 13 into 7 into 15 only, because I don't find any common factor between the three. Now I am taking another set of numbers, 7 by 12, 3 by 6, 5 by 8. I can rewrite 12 into 3 into 2 into 2, correct? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 6 I am writing as 3 into 2. And 8 can be written as 4 into 2. What is the common factor across the three? Can I expect some common factor between the three? 2. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Thanks, Jiva, for telling me that I have not shared the screen. So now coming back to this problem. Now I know that 2 is the only common factor. So if I have to take 1, 2, so I am thinking that I will just strike this out. 6, I will take 2 only once, into 3, into 4. I will only take the rest of the things, and you can now call this the highest common factor. Agreed? Understood? Very good version. Understood? Did you get that? Okay, very good. Excellent. So now we will go back to our find the HCF of more than 2 numbers. Find the HCF of first 2 numbers. If you have more than 2 numbers, this is the best example. You have 1, 2, 3. First, what he says is, you first take only the first 2 numbers, take the HCF. அந்த நம்பருக்கும் இந்த நம்பருக்கும் அடுத்த HCF கண்டுபிடி அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. So this is the step in which you have to find the HCF. If you have decimals, HCF has decimals, you have to consider the decimal places also. Decimal places of all the given numbers. For example, you may have 0.3, 0.2, 0.5 அப்படின்னா இந்த 3 டெசிமல்ஸும் கண்டிப்பா எடுத்துக்கணும். 3 into 2 into 5. Only then இந்த டெசிமல் பிளேசஸ் வந்து காமன் ஃபேக்டர் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். This is very important when you start doing bigger problems. Understood? Any doubts? Any doubts, children? Okay, very good. So this we will leave because you may not have such fractions. Common multiple. Common multiple is a number between the two numbers which is exactly divisible by each number. So when we come here, common multiple na 13 plus 7 plus 15 is the common multiple. What is that common multiple? Can you tell me 13 into 7 into 15? What is the number? 13 into 7 into 15. What is the value? 13 into 7 into 15. Yes, 1365. Excellent. Let me not do it. I will just take it. 1365. Very good. Finish. 1, 3, 6, 5. This is divisible by all 13, 7 and 5. All the numbers. 13 எத்தனை தடவை போகும் இதுல? If you divide 1365 by 13, what will be the answer? 105. 105 is nothing but 15 into 7. இந்த 15 into 7 பண்ணீங்கன்னா அதுதான் இதை டிவிசிபிள் பண்ணா வர நம்பர். 7 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணா 13 into 5 15 என்னவோ அதுதான் 7 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணா வர நம்பர். If you divide it by 15, the value is 13 into 7. So it is, that's how you have to quickly calculate, because aptitude test la in a fraction of a second you வந்து answer பண்ணனும் அதுக்கு. So that's how you have to calculate. அதே மாதிரி இதுக்கு common multiples என்ன? So we have cut the common factors so that remaining numbers வந்து the divisible இருக்கும். 6 3s are 18. 18 into 4 எவ்வளோ? You are going to do all the problems, multiplication, division, everything. 6 into 3 into 4 எவ்வளோ? 72. So this 72 is divisible by 6, is it not? $72 is divisible by in the first number, correct? I will take another color so that you understand. Basically the number என்ன 12, இந்த number என்ன 6, இந்த number என்ன 8. இந்த மூணும் divisible divide ஆகுமா ஆகாதா? 72 by 12. Yes, very good, Jiva. So common factor என்ன 72. இந்த 72ல இந்த all the denominators divisible divide பண்ண முடியும். So let us come back to this. அதான் common multiple னு சொல்றோம். Least common multiple. இப்போ common multiple னா இது வந்து common multiple. ஏன் சொல் பார்க்கலாம்? இது least common multiple. I will take another color. This is common multiple. This is least common multiple. Reason சொல் பார்க்கலாம். First one is common multiple. ரெண்டாவது வந்து least common multiple. காமன் மல்டிபிள்னா இந்த நம்பர்ல இப்ப நம்ம இங்க வந்து 2 வந்து கேன்சல் பண்ணோம். எல்லாத்துலயும் 2 இருக்கு, ஓகே எடுத்துட்டோம். ஆனா இதுல எடுக்க முடியல. இந்த 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 நம்பர்ஸ்ல இருந்து நம்மளால எடுக்க முடியல. அப்போ we have taken the numbers as it is. 13, இந்த 7, இந்த 15. அப்போ இதுதான் காமன் மல்டிபிள். இதுல வந்து there were common numbers, so we cut it. இது எடுத்தாலும் இந்த நம்பருக்கு வந்து இதுல டிவிசிபிள் ஆகும் அப்படிங்கிறது. இது லீஸ்ட் காமன் மல்டிபிள். காமன் மல்டிபிள்னா நீ என்ன எடுத்துக்கணும்? 12 into 6 into 8 அப்படி எடுத்தா காமன் மல்டிபிள். எல்லாத்துலயுமே 2 எடுத்துட்டோம் நம்ம. 2 இதுல இருந்து எடுத்துட்டோம். அப்படி எடுத்தா அதுக்கு பேர் லீஸ்ட் காமன் மல்டிபிள். Do you understand the concept? Yes. Students, did you understand the? Yes. So we have already found out the methods to find the least common multiple. Now we will do some problems. What is the HCF of 1095 and 1168? நம்ம வந்து இப்ப எடுக்கலாம். 1095 1095 and 1168. If you actually see, நான் இப்படி எடுக்கிறேன். I don't know how many of you know this. How many of you know this? How many of you know this? Okay. Now tell me 1095. In the least, அந்த இதை எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். I want somebody to tell me. Yes. I want somebody to tell me. Yes. Yes, Jiva. Very good. I want somebody to tell me அந்த டிவைட் பண்ணா என்னெல்லாம் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் வருது. I will do one. Another 72 நான் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். நான் இதை பண்ணுவேன். You have to tell me for this. 2 3s are 6, 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 12. அப்போ 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. So I want like this, the மாதிரி factors of this. So you can just do it and then tell me. I will tell you how this problem has been worked out. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அந்த மாதிரி எடுக்கணும். Very good. Excellent. 5 into 2 into 73. Excellent. Very good. And for the other number now. 1168. 5 into 2 into 73. 2 into 73. 73. இப்போ இதுக்கு சொல்லணும் அதே மாதிரி. டூ 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 4 டூ ஒரு 73. Into 73. Now tell me what is the common HCF? We have ஒரு 73, இங்கேயும் 73. I will use another color. You have 2 here and you have 2 here. இப்போ now tell me. Highest common factor எது இதுல? Which is the highest common factor? 73 into 2 is a common factor. Very good. 73 and 2 are common factors. In the two common factor, which is the highest? 73 is the highest. Agreed, understood? Which is the highest common factor? So next we will do the next sum. Okay. Find the HCF of அதே மாதிரியே இந்த division பண்ணணும் for the 3. 210, 385, 735. Ten, 385, 85, 135. So again 5 ல போவோம். I am not going to say. Two, 5, 3, 7. Very good. I will write here. 2, 5, 3, 7. Next one. 385. Three 85 solve. 5, 7, 11. Okay. 5, 7, 11. 735. 5737. Very good, Meenaka and Jiva. 5737. 5737. Now common factors part. 5, 5 and 5. We have 7, 7 and 7. So which is the highest common factor? 5 and 7 are the common factors. Highest common factor is 7. Very good. Excellent. So now we go to this next problem. Though it is not problem. Now find out 2 by 3, 8 by 9, 64 by 81, 10 by 27. Now tell me. Just divide. I am just splitting that. Okay. Two into 5 by 3 into. I am just trying to maintain this 2 by 3 in all cases. So the common factor we can easily find out from here. 2 by 3 here. We have 2 by 3 here. Again we have 2 by 3 and we have 1, 2 by 3. Now we have to take 2 denominator la eduthukkranga. 2, 8, 64 and 10. Numerator and denominator taken separately. I am just 2 by 3, 2 into 4, and then 2 into 2 into 2. 64 என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க? 2 எல்லாத்தையும் 2 ஆக்கிருக்காங்க. 2 into 2 into 2 into ஆக்கிருக்காங்க. Next is 2 5s are. They have taken that. அப்போ மேல இருக்கிறதுக்கு வந்து highest common factor 2. இதுக்கு they are also taking the LCM for this. To find out ஏன் இதை LCM கண்டுபிடிக்காங்க சொல்ல பார்க்கலாம். To find out the HCF, they are actually checking the LCM also. Why? Can you tell me why? Can you tell me to find the highest common factor, they are trying to do the LCM also. I want to know from any of you. If you know yes, give me a thumbs up. If you don't know, give me a thumbs down. If you say thumbs down, You don't know. To split the number, yes, to split the number. But why are they taking LCM? Let me tell you this. Okay? 3 by 5, 3 by 15, 5 by 15, 7 by 15. அப்படின்னு 3 நம்பர். இதுல எது பெரிய நம்பர்? 3 by 15, 5 by 15 and 7 by 15. இதுல எது பெரிய நம்பர்? Which is the highest number? Which is the highest number? 3 by 15, 5 by 15, 7 by 15. எது பெரிய நம்பர்? 3 by 15, 5 by 15 and 7 by 15. எந்த நம்பர் பெரிய நம்பர்? இது இந்த மூணுத்துல எது பெரிய நம்பர்? இதுல 7 by 15. Very good. How did you find out? You know, denominators are all common. So you checked which is the highest number on the numerator. அப்போ denominator காமனா இருந்தா மேல இருக்கிறத உன்னால கம்பேர் பண்ணி சொல்ல முடியும். So இந்த denominator எல்லாம் காமன் ஆக்கினா they will be able to make conclude on the based on the numerator. அதனால தான் LCM எடுக்கிறாங்க. இதே நான் வந்து 1 by 5, 2 by 7, 3 by 8ன்னு ஒரு நம்பர் கொடுக்கேன். இதுல எது ஹையஸ்ட்னா உடனே உங்களால சொல்ல முடியாது. You will need to calculate. 7 by 5 எவ்வளோ, 2 by 7 எவ்வளோ, 3 by 8 எவ்வளோன்னு calculate பண்ணாதான் சொல்ல முடியும். But when the denominators all the same, you can easily make out something or conclude something based on the numerator. That is why இந்த இதுல LCM எடுத்திருக்காங்க. Understood? They took LCM of the bottom and HCF of the so why they took LCM is because they wanted to conclude based on the common denominator. அதனால இங்க LCM எடுத்திருக்காங்க. So LCM எடுத்துட்டு they made the LCM as 81 common across and then found the HCF. When you have a fraction, இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய fractions கொடுத்துட்டு find the HCF அப்படின்னா you have the formula is HCF of the numerator by LCM of the denominator. மொத்த டினாமினேட்டருக்கும் 81 எடுத்தாதான் 27 போகும். அதுல 27 போகணும்னா 81 common. 81 is the common denominator for everything. Understood? This is the formula. HCF is equal to HCF of the numerator by LCM of the denominator. Understood? Any doubts so far? Any doubts? Okay. Now I will give you the next one. What will be the HCF of this? You will do this problem. இதுக்கு HCF என்னவா இருக்கும்? ஒண்ணுத்துக்கும் இப்போ நீங்க அந்த ஃபேக்டரைசேஷன் பண்ணணும். Zero 8 6 0 8 4ல போகும். அந்த மாதிரி you have to do the factorization for all the problems and then common factors எது, அதுல highest எது. Now you will do it now. What is the HCF of 608, 544, 638, 783, 425 and 476? I am waiting for your answers. Yes, doing it? Somebody doing it? Saroja is very silent nowadays. Saroja seems to be very silent. Four, 4, 2, 19. Others. This is for 608, is it? I want you to do the sum. Very good. 4, 4, 2, 19 is right. For 608. Next. 544. 'Excellent. Very good, Jiva. Very good. Good, Menaka. So you have to divide each one, find the common factors, and adula highest edunu paathunga adha HCF. 638. 638. 638 common factor இல்லையா? ரெண்டாவது இருக்குமே, 2 இருக்கும் பாரு. 638. 638 அடுத்த நம்பர் 783. I think 783 divisible இல்லையோ? 19. Good. Yes, no common factor. Very good. Can we check the answer? There are common factors. So, common factor across எதுக்குமே இல்லை. As Ganesh said, you are right. Ganesh is right. Across, there is no common factor. 608, 544, 638, 783, 425 and 476. Common factor இல்லைன்றது correct. Very good.